Okanti-ke kwelinye inqaku, isixeko saseGoli sibhengeze ukuvalwa kwendlela ezinkulu eBramfontein nakwindawo ezikufutshane ngaphambi komsitho wokothula kwentetho yobume besixeko ngusodolophu uTata Morero ngomso. Indlela eziquka iWanderers, iDe Villiers kunye nePlain Street ziza kuvalwa ukususela ezinzulwini zobusuku ngamagosa eJMPD ekulindeleke ukuba aqwalasele ukuhamba kwezithuthi kunye nokhuseleko loluntu. Abaqhubi beenqwelo mafutha bayacelwa ukuba bayiphephe le ndawo, basebenzise indlela ezizezinye kwaye balindele ukulibaziseka imini yonke.
The City of Johannesburg is issuing an urgent traffic advisory ahead of the State of the City address taking place this Wednesday, 20th May 2026 at the Cathedral of St. Mary the Virgin in the Johannesburg CBD. Starting right at midnight on Wednesday morning until the conclusion of the event, heavy road closures will be in effect across Braamfontein and the areas of South of Park Station and Joubert Park. If you are commuting through the CBD, please note that the following intersections will be fully closed to all non-authorized vehicles. That's Plain Street at the intersection of Klein Street and Elof Street, at Lilian Ngoyi Street at the corners of Wanderers, Von Brandus and Elof Street, at De Villiers Street at the intersections of Elof, Rissik and Melee Street, at Noord Street and Wanderers Street, Jarrison and De Beer Street, Stimmens at Melee and Picard Street, De Carter Street at Melee and Picard Street. JMPD officers will be stationed at all of these closures and throughout the extended area, including Bram Park and Metro Centre, to manage traffic flow. To avoid gridlock, please steer completely clear of central Braamfontein and use the recommended alternative routes. That's Bertha, Smith, Simmons, Volmerans, Pixley, Isaka Kaseme, Pritchard or Helen Joseph Street. Plan your journey well in advance, consider public transport and please obey all officers' instructions on the ground. Let's keep Johannesburg moving safely.
Okulandelayo kwalapha kwendaba. Amapolisa aseJabulani athi aqhalabile ngenani elikhulayo labaqhubi ababanjelwa ukuqhuba bephansi kwempembelelo zotywala ngexesha lemisebenzi yangempelaveki kummandla.